What a great turnout. This thing is getting bigger. Happy Easter, everybody! You can all sleep in. Bye, Roxy. Isn't that fun?